Okay, let's look at this. They want to say that, they have to identify certain things, identify the coefficients. So the coefficient on the square term is going to be 3. So A would equal 3. Relatively simple. Let's see, the coefficient on the xy term is going to be, that's the b, by the way, is minus 2 root 3. I got that written down here. The c, the coefficient on the y squared, that would be 1. And let's see, the coefficient on the x would be 2. The coefficient on the y is 2 root 3. And there appears to be no f in the problem, so I can say f is 0. All right? Next question, they want me to find out what the discriminant is. They tell me the discriminant is this over here. So let's write it down. So b squared minus 4a times c. Should be recognizable to you, though. What's the b squared? Well, that's going to be 4 times 3, which is 12. Minus 4. What's the a? The a is 3. And what's the c? The c is 1. So what do you get over here? 12 minus 12, so it's 0. Do they have that listed as an answer? They do, right over here. All right? In general, if the discriminant is 0, the graph is a parabola. Okay, so we have a parabola. Negative, the graph is an ellipse. That's not negative. Blah, blah, blah. They tell me something. So it's a parabola. Yeah, got that part. It says over here, solve this. Let's see if we can do that. And I'll write that down for you. Cotangent of 2 theta is equal to, well, let's take a look. And again, the a is 3 minus the c is 1, over the b, which is minus 2 root 3. Let's be very careful now. 3 minus 1 is 2, minus 2 root 3. Cotangent of 2 theta is going to be minus 1 over root 3. I'm going to write it a little differently, by the way, and I'm going to write it as the tangent of 2 theta is going to be minus root 3. All right? I got to think about this now. So why are you thinking about it? I got to get the angle. And what am I going to do with this? Let's take a look. And I know it's in between the angle over here, whatever this angle is over here, the 2 theta, right, is going to be an angle between minus 90 and 0, and it's going to give me a ratio of root 3, so it's going to be minus 60 degrees. And this repeats itself every pi k. I'm going to divide through by 2, and I'd get theta is minus 30 degrees. I shouldn't have used pi, I'm sorry. I'm talking in degrees, continue to speak in degrees, by the way. That's 180 degrees, sorry about that. And that's going to be plus 90. Now, by the way, I got to get the theta between 0 and pi over 2. So I'm going to take k to be 1. And what are you going to get over there? Theta to be 60 degrees. I'm going to put it in a radian measure. And what's the radian measure going to be? Well, that's going to be pi over 3. All right? I'm going to commit to that answer. Let's look at the k and see if we got that. Right over here, pi over 3. All right? We're done.